Hello everyone, welcome to Rhythm in Africa and Mbira lesson 5. Let's go. Okay, so we're done with the Nema Musasa series, which had a bunch of episodes explaining how to play different instruments and different parts of Nema Musasa. So today we're starting with a new series called Chamutengure. This will be a continuation from Marimba lesson 2, which I accurately named the most important African tune. And I named it this way because a lot of African pop music was influenced in one way or another by Chamutengure, and this is true all across Africa, but mostly in Zimbabwe, since Chamutengure is from Zimbabwe. So some genres like Sungura is a Zimbabwean genre. It's 90% of the songs are all Chamutengure, and this will make more sense soon. So just like Nema Musasa, this chord progression is called Chamutengure because the word Chamutengure is repeated over and over again throughout the song, almost the same as Nema Musasa. So an easy way to find out if a song has a Chamutengure chord progression or not is to sing the Chamutengure tune on top of the song, and if the tune fits there, the song is most probably Chamutengure, and this is what I mean. Yes, so now let's go to the Mbira now. So we'll approach Chamutengure in a totally different way compared to the way that we approached Nema Musasa. So for Chamutengure, we'll use the same approach that you use when you are learning the guitar. So on a guitar, you learn chords by memorizing where your fingers should go, and then when you hold them nicely, you strum down once. And when you strum down once, it will sound nice if the chords are grouped either this way, or this way, or this way. So in a similar way, the Mbira is also like that. The only difference is that you can't strum the Mbira. You have to play one note after the other. So unlike Nema Musasa, which has 12 chord changes, Chamutengure only has 4 chord changes, and you only have to memorize 3 of those different type of note groupings or chords, because one of them is repeated. Okay, so let's go to the first note grouping, or the first chord that we'll be playing, and the bass will be playing 1. So when the bass is playing 1, these are the notes that we should play. And 2 things that you should know. The first thing is, for this one, we want to try to put 6 notes in a bar. So that means you're playing 6 times or 6 notes before you start playing the second chord. The second thing is, we are just keeping it simple for now. So we're just using our thumbs, and we're alternating our thumbs. Right thumb followed by left thumb, right, left, and it keeps on going like that. And you can choose a sequence of notes that you want to play, but for now I just chose this sequence, and you can copy my sequence for now, and then you can edit it and you do your own thing later. Cool, let's go to the next chord now, and this time the bass will be playing a 4. And by the way, I explain all this music theory in previous instrument lessons. So if you are lost, it's because you haven't watched. So I'm assuming everyone has watched the previous lessons. So for this chord, we actually don't have to play three different notes, because one of the note is actually completely missing from the scale for reasons I explained in the previous Mbira episode. So you're just playing two notes for when the bass is playing four, and these are the two notes. And then we go back to one, and we will just do the same sequence that we did when we did one at the first time. And then we go to five now, and this is the sequence for five. So if you mash up everything together, it will sound like this. So in the next Mbira episode, we're going to expand on Chamutengure and then add other instruments like drums, shakers, and possibly the marimba as well. And I'm sure by now you should know where this is going. If you're not sure where this is going, it's because you haven't subscribed and you haven't been liking the videos. So just go do that, and I'll see you on the next one. Wash out.